10 health benefits of chia seeds and lemon water. What if one of the most powerful health routines in the world costs less than $1 a day? Think about it. Millions of people are spending hundreds on supplements, protein shakes, and detox programs, searching for that one thing that will finally make them feel better, look better, and live longer. But what if the answer has been sitting quietly in your kitchen all along? 2 simple ingredients. No fancy equipment. No complicated recipe. Just chia seeds and lemon water. A combination so backed by science that nutritionists, doctors, and health coaches around the world are recommending it daily. The ancient Aztecs called chia seeds running food because warriors relied on them for endurance and strength. Lemons have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, prized for their cleansing and immune-boosting properties. And when you combine these 2 powerhouses into one simple, daily habit, something remarkable begins to happen inside your body. Today, we are breaking down the 10 most important health benefits of chia seeds and lemon water, and by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why this combo deserves a permanent place in your daily routine. So stick around, because number 7 might genuinely surprise you. Benefit number 1, supercharge your hydration. Most people walk around chronically dehydrated without even realizing it at all. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their own weight in water when soaked. This unique ability turns your lemon water into a slow-release hydration drink for the body. Lemon adds essential electrolytes like potassium that help your cells retain moisture effectively. Together, they keep your body hydrated far longer than plain water ever could alone. Benefit number 2, supports healthy and sustainable weight loss. Losing weight becomes significantly easier when you feel full and satisfied after eating. Chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber that expands and forms a gel inside your stomach. That gel slows digestion, keeping you fuller for a much longer period of time. Lemon water has been shown to slightly boost metabolism and reduce calorie intake naturally. Drinking this combination before meals can meaningfully reduce how much food you consume overall. Benefit number 3, delivers a powerful antioxidant boost. Every single day, your body is under attack from harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals damage your cells and speed up the aging process from the inside. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that neutralize these damaging free radicals quite effectively. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, one of the most potent antioxidants found in nature today. Together, they form a protective shield that helps your body fight oxidative stress every day. Benefit number 4, strengthens and protects your immune system. A strong immune system is truly your body's first and most important line of defense. Lemon water delivers a powerful dose of vitamin C with every single sip you take. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells that fight off infections actively. Chia seeds contribute zinc and other key minerals that support immune cell function daily. Drinking this combination regularly gives your immune system the consistent nutritional support it genuinely needs. Benefit number 5, improves digestive health and gut function. Your gut health affects almost every other system functioning inside your body right now. Chia seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble dietary fiber for digestion. Soluble fiber feeds the beneficial bacteria living inside your gut microbiome every single day. Lemon water stimulates the production of bile, which helps your body break down food efficiently. This powerful pairing promotes regular bowel movements and supports a much healthier digestive system overall. Before we get to the next benefit, I want to hear from you. Comment yes below if you're a fan of chia seeds and lemon water, or no if it's not your thing. I read every single comment, so let me know. Benefit number 6, boosts energy levels without caffeine. If you rely on coffee to get through the day, this benefit is going to interest you greatly. Chia seeds provide a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and slow-releasing complex carbohydrates. This nutritional profile delivers steady, sustained energy without the dreaded crash that caffeine brings. Lemon water alkalizes the body and fights fatigue by flushing out toxins that cause sluggishness. The result is clean, lasting energy that carries you through your day with far greater ease. Benefit number 7. Promotes clearer skin and a youthful glow. Here is the benefit that most people do not expect when they start this simple daily routine. The antioxidants in chia seeds actively protect your skin cells from premature aging and damage. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds reduce inflammation, which is one of the root causes of acne. Lemon's vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Drinking this combination daily can visibly improve your skin's texture, tone, and overall natural radiance. Benefit number 8. Supports heart health and healthy cholesterol levels. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death across the entire world today. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids available. These omega-3s help reduce triglycerides and lower harmful LDL cholesterol levels in the blood. Lemon contains flavonoids that have been shown to improve blood pressure and arterial health significantly. Making this drink a daily habit is one of the simplest things you can do for your heart. Benefit number 9. Helps regulate blood sugar and insulin response. Blood sugar spikes and crashes are behind many of the energy problems people deal with daily. The gel-forming fiber in chia seeds slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream effectively. This prevents the sharp glucose spikes that lead to cravings, fatigue, and long-term insulin resistance. Lemon has a low glycemic impact and may also help improve your body's sensitivity to insulin. For anyone managing or looking to prevent diabetes, this combination is an incredibly valuable daily tool. Benefit number 10. Strengthens bones and supports long-term skeletal health. Strong bones are not just something to think about when you are older. They matter right now. Chia seeds are surprisingly high in calcium, providing more per gram than most dairy products available. They also contain phosphorus and magnesium, 2 minerals that are critical for bone density and strength. Lemon's vitamin C supports the absorption of these key minerals far more efficiently in the body. Together, they deliver the essential nutrients your bones need to stay strong and healthy for life. Dear viewers, these 10 incredible science-backed reasons why chia seeds and lemon water deserve to become a non-negotiable part of your daily health routine. From supercharging your hydration and supporting weight loss, to protecting your heart, balancing blood sugar, clearing your skin, and strengthening your bones, this simple, affordable combination works on nearly every system in your body at once. The best part? You do not need a fancy diet plan or an expensive supplement stack to experience these benefits. All you need is a glass of water, half a lemon, and a tablespoon of chia seeds, and you are already on your way. Start small. Be consistent. Give your body at least 2 to 3 weeks to respond, and pay attention to how you feel. The results are quiet at first, but they are real, and they build over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based health content. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and take care of your body.